Very good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start new chapter of Science 2, that is chapter 10. Name of the chapter is Disaster Management. In this lecture we will study about what is disaster, types of disaster, effect of disasters, etc. Here in this lesson also the omitted contents will be cancelled out. So children, let us start with our explanation part. So, children, here we are going to study about disaster management. In this, we'll study about disaster, types of disaster, effect of disaster, impact of disaster, etc. So, here, this first portion, that is, can you recall, it is cancelled out for you. Now, we will see disaster. In disaster, we'll see that various type of dangerous event occur sometime in the environment, and these are called as disasters. So some of the main natural disasters we can say that flood, wet and dry, famine, cyclone, earthquake, volcanoes, etc. So these all occurs all of a sudden. So, due to the trouble to the mankind, such events cause the sudden changes in the environment, and due to that, it cause lot of damage. Environment is also damaged due to the natural resources for our development, and this all leads to the sudden disasters unexpected to the human. So here these points you have to underline, children, that this point variously dangerous uh, events occur. So these all are important point what I am underlining here. So this all you underline, you have to learn it. So United Nation has defined the disaster as sudden events that leads to huge loss of life as well as to the property. Now, these disasters cannot be predicted. We cannot tell prior of the occurrence. Hence, precaution regarding this is also not possible. So here this all I think famine, then this cyclone, this all you might have studied in the geography also. Still I am explaining that when there is scarcity of extreme scarcity of the food is there, it is called famine. Cyclone, that is the wind rotation to an area of low barometric pressure with an anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and in clockwise in the southern hemisphere. So this way this all we had to face if sudden change or sudden events occur. So that leads to a huge loss to the life as well as property. Now these disasters occur suddenly, so it is not predictable. We cannot say prior to the occurrence, and we cannot take the precautions also. So huge due to the incidences of life and property loss. That is why this term huge is used. Now there are long term effect on the society. If this disaster occurs, then there is long term effect to the society. So here you can see, children, that if there is loss, so to the life and property, the people become in distress. Distress mean they become very sad, or they feel too much pain, because but natural that their life, if someone expire or some relative expire, then also they feel very sad, as well as if there is loss of property, then also they are very sad. Now here we can see that the period of each disaster is not same. For each disaster the period is sometimes it is very short and some are very long. So reason behind this each disaster is also different. It is not sure that what is the reason for this disaster, that it is different for different type of the disaster. It can be determined that which component of the environment is going to be affected. So this all point you have to learn. Now here one question is there, that which are two types of disaster, that already you know, man-made disaster and natural. Sometime whatever the man is doing, due to that what disaster is caused, that is called man-made, and when the naturally it occur, it is called the natural disaster. So earlier also we have studied regarding this various type of disaster and the precautionary measures. In case of the any disaster happen, we can classify the disaster in so many ways, like catastrophic disaster. What is the meaning of catastrophic disaster? That whenever the disaster cause the very harmful, it is cause so much life loss, so much property loss, so many lives loss, then it is very harmful. So such type of the disaster is called the catastrophic disaster. Now for example we can say tornadoes are there, tsunami is there, this all are there. Now example like cyclone in the Odisha, catastrophic earthquake of Gujarat and Latur. So these all are the frequently occurring cyclones in the coastal Andhra Pradesh. These all are the example of this, which leads to the total uh, property loss, then loss of life in particular region wherever it occurs. So irrespective of all these, life has always returned to the normal. So these all points you have to underline, that what are the what which type of the disasters occur. How many you might have heard so many bomb blasts occur, so many things occur, so many disaster occurs, still again after some time the life comes to the normal. Disaster making the impact for long duration, and those whose after effect are either severe or severity increases with the time. Example, famine. Various problem occurs for the crops. Strike of workers, rising level of ocean, desertification. Desertification means when the fertile land become desert. So that is called desertification. So this way we can see, children, that so many effects are there. Now here we'll see, children, this part is cancelled for you. Now we will see that you can search the videos for the clip of disaster on the internet also. We'll study about the types of disaster. So here we can see that some example of the disasters are given here, so that you can see some disasters are shown here, like some in Aurangabad and some in other places. That all disasters you can see in this pic. Okay, so now we'll study about the types of the disasters. So which are the three types, children? Geophysical disaster, biological disaster, and man-made disaster. Now what are the geological disaster? In that we can see like earthquake, volcano, tsunami. Here this first we are going to study geological: earthquake, volcano, tsunami, landslide, landfall, erosion, alkalization. What is alkalization? Whenever the a process in that which lowers the amount of the acid, so it is called alkalization of the soil. Then flooding, etc. In atmospheric, what we'll study, that example hot and cold waves, snowstorm, snowfall, cyclone, hailstorm, drought, meteorite, etc. Then here we'll see the second one, that is biological. We are going to study in that what thing occur. First regarding plant and second regarding animal. Here we'll see that first, in plant it may be forest fire due to sometime the temperature rises, and due to that the dry parts of the plant start fire. Then fungal disease spreading. Then weeds. Weeds mean whatever the not valuable or the forest. Some weeds are there, forest plants are there which are not of use. So that all. Then in animal, infectious viruses, bacteria like cholera, malaria, hepatitis, etc. Then insect bite, etc. Then in the next one we can see the man-made. In man-made, what we'll see, children, unknown are there and international. Some are poisonous gases unknown, atomic tests, unplanned action, accident. These all are unknown. We don't know that now some person may made to the accident. So this is all. Then sometime unplanned action also causes the disaster. Then international, like war between two countries, bomb blasts, forced migration, terrorism, raping the child, then child labor, etc. So these all are the example of this all. Now children, here some questions are there. Which are the destructive effect of the flood? So what may be so many effect are there. For example, villages sometimes get submerged in the water. There is loss of lives. Such type of the effect may occur. Now we can see, children, the second one. We can see what are the effect of dry famine. So due to dry famine, no water will be there, no drinking water will be there, scarcity of food will be there. These all are the effect. Then third one is, we can see which are the destructive effect of earthquake. So what are the destructive effect? That collapse of the houses, spread up epidemic, etc. Then the next one is, what is forest fire? So already I explained that forest fire, when temperature rises, then the dry parts of the plant catch fire. Then what is its effect? Loss of biodiversity, plant and animals die. These all are the effect. So this all you should write in your rough notebook and learn it, children. Now we'll see here the next topic is effect of the disaster. So what are the effect of disaster? That serious effect of disasters are there. We already have seen whatever questions I have told you that what is the answer regarding that. So with the help of that question, we have seen that what can be the effect due to these all disaster problem. So here some effect I'll tell you, children, like what can be the effect, like collapsing of the bridges, flooding of the coastal villages mean which are near the sea, then shortage of the food. These are some of the problem of the flood. Then collapsing of the houses, developing cracks in the land, or some of the effect of the earthquake. Then disaster like the forest fire, drought also adversely affect the environment. So this way we can see that what is, if we will find out some answers regarding some questions, like what is exact nature of this disaster, or whether there are any changes in the nature before the occurrence of disaster, or for how long the effect occurs after the occurrence of disaster, or how it needs to be think over this all aspects of disaster. We have to think about this, so then we can understand the nature and gravity of the disaster. Now we'll see disaster definitely affect the economy of the nation. So this point you have to write down. That effect is always related to disaster regarding economy. That is, if any port is destroyed, there are long lasting effect of the economical problem, but natural that trade will be stops. Then due to huge uh, expenses on the reconstruction, that is also loss of money. An effect of disaster on social leadership is that if local leadership is not strong enough, the citizen may be confused, as well as whatever their participation in rescuing the to rescue the people or rehabilitation of the people, that all will be affected. Then administrative problem also arises. So, if local governing bodies are affected by disaster, related department cannot be answer the problem of disaster efficiently. So, this all things we have to see. All the concerned department are affected due to disaster. So, this way we can see that entire system may get collapse. So different problem occurs with the disaster. In concept map we can see, here is the concept map, children. I'll show you here. See here, children, disaster, how it causes the different uh, problems. First one, here we'll see that partial or due to environmental what problem will be there, partial or complete collapsing of the building, drying out of water resources, contamination of water, stinky pollution of environment due to decomposing corpses of the human, etc. This all will occur. What will be the social effect? We can see it effect in the participation of rescue and rehabilitation, so that will be social effect. Then due to administrative professional, what will be effect? It will stress to the workers. Then collapsing of the transport system, then shortage of facilities, etc. Due to the political effect also, there will be long term effect. And there will be effect on disaster management, there will be effect on the economy of the nation. This all problem will be there. Then due to medical, uh, what we will feel that injuries, emotional or mental stress will be there, injuries will be there, increase in epidemics will be there, death of the victim may be there. This all will be effect. Then due economic problem, what will be there? That sudden increase in fund expenditure, shortage of funds for development of other sector, decrease in productivity, but natural that if economy will affect, the productivity will also affect. So these all points we have to keep in our mind. Now here, children, one question is there, that depending upon the above information, you have to explain the various effect of the disaster of railway accident. So what can be effect? The person may die or victim's death may occur, emotional and mental stress to the victim will be there, the transport will be collapse. So these all problem will be there, children. Now here is a short video clip, I'll show you, children. In this video you can see how the effect of tsunami, cyclone, earthquake and all are there. Landslide, floods, volcanic eruption, lightning, these are cracks. So this way we have seen, children, that how these all affect to our environment. So children, you have seen this video. I think you might have enjoyed the lecture, and just whatever points are underlined, learn properly, and next lecture will continue this chapter. I think you might have enjoyed the lesson as well as my lecture also.